let's go to the lab and see what options we have available. If you have any question, please let me know. I will show you in the lab how we can do that. So this is the Fusion Compute environment. Once you can we update it? Okay, I will see some questions. Let me see. I want to go to the chat. How many questions? So I have answered some of the questions. Can we update template before installing VM format? No, you can update the VM, the existing VM, the source VM, and then you create a template from that VM. If, for example, if you want to update it, just create a VM from the template, update it, and then reconvert it to the template. So it is possible using that way. You can do that. So if you want to add some application or you want to change it, so just create, just deploy, just create a VM from that template. Your VM will be up and running. You install the application, you want to change something, then convert it to template. So you will have a new template available. So you can do that using this way. This is the Fusion Compute interface. Yes, there's a question about the sysrep. You can do that as well. If you have if you want before creating the template, you can do the sysrep as well. The sysrep is it will automatically reset your VM. So once you power on the VM, so it will ask about the host name, the IP addresses, the password. So you can regenerate all these things. So it is possible you can do that as well. It's up to you how you want to use that. And in the Linux machines, you can use Cloud Init. Cloud Init will do the same thing for you. Okay, this is the Fusion Compute interface. For example, let me log in it. Once you install the Fusion Compute, so you have a CNA and one VRM. This is the VRM interface, and I have one CNA available, so we can test it. Let me log into it. So this is the main interface of Fusion Compute. If you go to this resource pool, here is a management cluster. I have only one CNA, which name is Fusion, and I have one Windows 10 VM available. So let's create a VM template from this Windows 10 VM. Right click, go to template, clone to template. If you click on convert to template, so this VM will move to template section. So I want to do clone to template. So it will ask for the name. For example, I'll add a template, and it's the same. The VM is the same management cluster. Click next. So I can change the CPU and memory from here, but it is not possible to change the root disk. It is disabled, as you can see. But you can change the VLAN, or you can change the CPU or memory. It is possible. Click next. It will show you the summary. Okay, so when you can check it from here. These are the recent tasks. So it is creating the template. It will clone this Windows machine and will create a template for you. So it will take some time. This is a physical environment, so should be fast, I think. So you see in VM template is created. This is the template information. You can find the template from here. Let me refresh it. Let's see. Do you want to convert this as a template? Yes. From the to the template, because you click on conversion, you can copy of template will be available, so you can deploy it later on. So if you don't want to lose your original VM, so that is the option. Let's deploy a VM from the template. Deploy a VM template. This will. So you can change the name as well if you want to change the name. Okay, in A4 you can deploy multiple, but VM here. It will ask about the C. Provide that. Okay, you have to select the data. So, okay, there's a capacity issue, so let me add it to local disk. I don't want to customize. I want to generate initial password. Sysrep as well. You can do that as well, but let's see, generate the password. So you start immediately as well. Let's create a VM. This template will be here, and another VM will be created on the VM section. So this VM is creating now from that template, and I'll show you. This is the area. Initial system password. When the VM is created, we see a password, so you can use that password. If you are not using the Sysrep or these cloud init tools, so you can do that as well. Typically, the administrator use these tools to reconfigure VM. So if it is created or not. It will take some time, I think. Take some time. Let's see any other options. Okay, for example, import. Well, as well, but I don't have. In fact, the template. Uh, if I have template available, has a format on the it here in. Let's see. So you can, for example, VM. The computer, I will use this management cluster. So you can add description as well. So we have yes, list space. I will use these are except the size. So other things can be changed. No issue. Yeah. So the task is now voting template into the Fusion Compute environment template, or you have template from Fusion Compute environment and you deploy it on some other environment, so it is possible. So it's not now it is importing. So you use your local area network, the data will transfer your local area network, which is connected from your PC to your Fusion Compute environment. So it is possible we can import any type of supported VM, supported templates, and VMs also supported. Let's see our previous task. We have deployed a VM using the template. So I have deployed Windows 10 using. I have deployed this Windows 10 from this template. So it is very easy and very useful because reinstallation of even patches, all these things are very difficult, a lot of time, and your all environment may be, for example, if you are using 10 to 100 Windows machines, and you want to keep it at the same version, and everything should be on the same version and the patch level, the OS level. So these templates can help you to achieve that. And the deployment, if you have the requirement of a bulk deployment, so this will help you to deploy multiple operating systems in bulk as well. So it will save your time. So the benefits of the templates. And in these days, you will get templates from the vendor as well, like Cisco, Juniper, Fortinet, and Huawei. There are built-in available appliances using OVF formats. You can download it and you can deploy it on your environment. These all features also supported in VMware and other virtualization platform as well. So this is the concept like that. So there's no difference, big difference. Okay, these are done. So what else we need to do? This specify the password can be seen. I have ticked the create for me. So this is the system initiated password. If you log into this Windows, so you can use this path to log into it. If you did not use the cloud init and strap, so basically administrator always use these tools to reconfigure the data. If you have a template and you don't password and you don't know that maybe the sysrep or the cloud init is not installed, so you can reset the password. So while deploying the template, so there's an option you can click on it and it will generate for you. So this is the password. You click, you login using this login using this password. Later on, you can change it, no issue. It will be removed. You change the password, so use this password. While you are deploying it, so you just uncheck that option to create password for you. So you will not. Does the Fusion Compute has P2E features available? You have to use, there's a tool Rambo. You have to use these services. Huawei offers these services for migration. So the tool is available, Rambo, but you can download it, but you will have license required. No, the license is only provided to the Huawei's professional team services. You have to buy the services. They will install the Rambo tool and they will add the license and they will migrate all the VMs for you. So you can do P2E, V2E, all the options are available there. But unfortunately, it is not possible for partner or for a customer to do it by themselves. Huawei professional services, you have to buy the Huawei professional services for Rambo. It is available. So we have a project. We already did a project with the customer, so we have to buy the professional services. Customer is not allowed or partner is not allowed to do migrations. Huawei support team, professional services team will do that for you.